On this day, 75 years ago, the world's first atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima in Japan. It killed 140,000 people, turning the city to ashes. 75 years on, nuclear treaties are being discarded. The threat is greater than ever. Technology like artificial intelligence is controlling nuclear sites. Has the world really learned any lessons? It hasn't. 13,000 nuclear warheads exist in our world. That's 13,000 mistakes waiting to happen. One mistake, human or otherwise, could raise out the world.
All of a sudden, I heard a big sound.
I
didn't know what the sound was, but as soon as I thought I heard the big sound, my surroundings turned bright white. People say it was a flash, but to me, everything turned white. In the burnt ruins, there were shapes that resembled human beings or bodies that had crumbled into bones everywhere. There was a smell. It was a very strange smell. People had been burnt, things were being burnt. The charred smell is also distinct. Human beings possess about 13,000 nuclear bombs now. Our question is, how in the world we are allowing that? Do people think they will never be used at all? You never know, really, you never know that.
It's been 75 years since America dropped the world's first atomic bomb on Hiroshima. Has the world learned any lessons? Nuclear war remains the single biggest threat to humanity. The world is on a cusp of change. 30 years ago, the Cold War ended with the US and Russia agreeing to reduce their nuclear arsenal by 90%. But those agreements are being discarded one by one. China is scaling up its small nuclear arsenal. The US and Russia are modernizing theirs, adding a host of new warheads. Non-nuclear countries aren't happy. The 1968 Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons allows nuclear powers, US, Britain, China, France and Russia to maintain nuclear weapons. That's in exchange for a promise of total nuclear disarmament. Other nuclear powers, India, Israel and Pakistan, have not signed the treaty. North Korea, a former signatory, broke away and developed nuclear warheads. The failure of this treaty led to another treaty in 2017. It prohibits nuclear weapons. Also known as the Ban Treaty, it bans building, possessing and testing of nuclear weapons. So far, only 40 countries have signed it. The result is this. The world has 13,410 nuclear weapons. These are not the only treaties that have been discarded. The Trump administration has pulled out of the Iran nuclear deal in 2018. The US has exited the Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty too. Now there is a fear that the new Strategic Arms Reduction Treaty with Russia may fail if China remains adamant on not joining it. This is a dangerous trend. America, Russia and China hold more than 90% of the world's nuclear arsenal. That's not all. Technology has brought in a new threat. Faster missiles, cyber warfare and artificial intelligence. The US and Israel have targeted Iran's nuclear program with a computer worm. Hackers in Russia have probed US nuclear plants. and Chinese hackers have conducted cyber espionage on the US military. The use of artificial intelligence increases the prospect of accidents and the unintentional use of nuclear weapons. An automated system can make a mistake, and that mistake can wipe out the world.
Nuclear weapons aren't gone. Nuclear weapons that made us suffer for decades still exist. So to me, the war isn't over.
Bureau Report, WION, World is One.